Okay, Lucas, we're going to try yogurt with some apple and pear for the first time. Lucas? Mom? He always does that face every time he tries something. Oh. Is that okay? I don't know. Do you like it? More? More? You like yogurt? You try some more yogurt? I think he likes it. Hey, darling. Yummy. Yay. What do you see? What's that over there? You alright? Yeah, more? Some more yogurt and apple? And pear? More? Yeah, good boy. Oops. You alright? Okay. You shall run your little tooth? Some more? Lucas? Okay, finish first. Good boy. What is it? You wanna watch TV? What are you doing?